process begins with preparing the soil. The soil is loosened for planting. Rows are created for organized planting. Water is added to support growth. Moist soil helps the bulbs develop. Natural conditions support the growth process. Tulip bulbs are prepared for planting. Bulbs are placed carefully into the soil.
The bulbs are covered with soil.
From a single bulb, one tulip plant begins to grow. The first tulip sprout appears.
More sprouts begin to grow.
The plants grow stronger each day. Leaves expand as the plant matures. The field begins to turn green. Flower buds begin to form. The buds continue to grow. Strong stems develop to support flowers. The tulip buds reach maturity across the field. The buds continue to grow. Colors begin to appear inside the buds. Across the field, tulip buds grow, preparing to bloom into colorful flowers. The tulip buds mature, each one slightly unique. Color begins to appear, each bud slightly different. Each flower prepares to bloom in its own way. The blooms begin, each flower unique. The flowers open further with natural variation. Each tulip blooms with its own natural beauty. The field blooms with color and variation. Every petal is unique. Each flower moves in its own rhythm. The tulips are ready for harvest. Tulips are cut and guided directly into the system. Freshly cut flowers move directly into the processing line. The flowers enter the factory without stopping. Stems are trimmed for uniform size. Different colors are grouped into sets. Flowers are aligned for perfect positioning. Different colors are grouped into sets. Bundles are formed and secured. Hydration keeps the flowers fresh. bouquet takes shape in layers. Each bundle is tied securely. Each bundle is checked for quality. The shape is refined for balance. The bouquet is wrapped neatly. Final touches complete the bouquet. Finished bouquets are ready for display. Ready for display and delivery. From farm to factory bouquet, subscribe for more.